What would be your advice to the defendants and the public trying to navigate the criminal justice system?
Well, to be quite honest with you, and I don't think I'm alone in this, the first thing, and it happens every day in court when somebody's in my court and they're set for arraignment, the first thing that I will do is, I will call their case, call their name. Some are in custody, some have made bond, but they will come before me and I will let them know what the charges are against them. And the very first question I will ask them is, do you have a lawyer to represent you? So in reality, the importance of them being represented by competent counsel is really the critical thing in the case. So they need to get an attorney and speak to that lawyer, and then that lawyer will report back to the court what's going on with the case and start to communicate with the district attorney's office as it relates to the evidence and the charges.
And this is Inside General Sessions Civil Court. We would love for you to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.